Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all French onion soup recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई आजभरि तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले फ्रेन्च ओनियन सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त A classic authentic French onion soup recipe. Slow cooked, deeply flavorful, and finished with a cheesy toasty bread just like in a French bistro. French onion soup serving portion 4, preparation time 15 minutes, cook time 50 to 60 minutes. Ingredients 5 large yellow onion thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon sugar optional. Help to caramelize onion, 2 cloves garlic minced, half cup dry white wine. Optional 6 cup beef stock or vegetable stock for veg version. 1 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme or half teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and black pepper to taste. For topping, 1 bucket slice, 1.5 cup grated cheese, grated Emmental, mozzarella can be substituted. Instruction: caramelize the onion, most important step. Heat butter and olive oil in a heavy pot over medium-low heat. Add onion and sugar. Cook slowly for 25 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally until onion turn deep golden brown. Build flavor. Add garlic. Cook 30 seconds. Pour in a white wine and scrape the pan. Simmer until reduced by the half. Simmer the soup. Add beef stock, bay leaves, thyme, salt, and pepper. Simmer gently for 20 minutes. Remove bay leaves. Prepare cheese toasty. Toast bucket slice until golden. Top with the grated Gruyère and broil until browny. Serve. Ladle soup into a bowl. Place cheesy toast on top. Optional. Broil bowls for 1 or 2 minutes for a gratin finish. Chef tips: low and slow onions. Royal flavor. Never rush this step. Gruyère gives the best nutty flavor. Mix with the mozzarella, improve stretch. For extra depth, add a splash of brandy or sherry before the straw. Serving suggestion: serve with a green salad or crusty bread. Perfect winter starter or light main. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any concern, do not hesitate to send to me message or comment any of my post. धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई तपाईहरु जहिले पनि मेरो प्रोफाइलमा भिजिट गर्नु होला त्यहाँ चाहिँ जहिले पनि मेरो पोस्टहरु आइराको हुन्छ र यदि तपाईसँग केही जिज्ञासा भएमा तपाईले सिधै मलाई मेसेज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा तपाईले मेरो कुनै पनि पोस्टमा गएर कमेन्ट पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ स्वस्थ रहनुस् मस्त रहनुस् व्यस्त रहनुस् जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ आफ्नो लाइफलाई खुलेर जिउनु होला See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao.